Download file from Blob URL with Python. I wish to have my Python script download the master data, download, XLSX, Excel file from this Frankfurt Stock Exchange webpage. When to retrieve it with urllib and WG, it turns out that the URL leads to a blob and the file downloaded is only 289 bytes and unreadable. This URL. I'm entirely unfamiliar with blobs and have these questions. Can the file behind the blob be successfully retrieved using Python? If so, is it necessary to uncover the true URL behind the blob if there is such a thing, and how? My concern here is that the link above won't be static but actually change often.
That 289-byte long thing might be a HTML code for 403 forbidden page. This happened because the server is smart and rejects if your code does not specify a user agent. Python 3. Python 2.
Recommend requests and beautiful soup, both good lib.
For me, the target download URL is like, blob frowny face this URL. I tried to write the original response in local XLSX, and found it was working.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.